Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie out of clay. First, gather your supplies, including various clay colors, a rolling pin, and sculpting tools. Begin by rolling out a circular piece of clay, about 1/8 of an inch thick, for your pie crust. Carefully place it into a small, round mold or shape it freehand. Then, gently crimp the edges to create that classic pie crust look. Now, let's add the delicious filling. Choose a clay color like brown for chocolate, red for cherry, or yellow for lemon. Roll this clay into a ball and then flatten it slightly to create a dome shape that fits perfectly inside your crust. Use a small sculpting tool or even a toothpick to add texture, making it look like real fruit or a smooth custard. This step brings your pie to life. Next, we'll create the top crust. You can roll out thin strips of clay for a classic lattice design or a solid, flat piece for a full top. If making a lattice, carefully weave the strips over your filling. For a solid top, gently place it over the filling and make a few small vents. Blend the edges of the top crust into the bottom crust for a finished look. Finally, it's time to bake your pie. Follow the specific baking instructions for your type of clay, usually found on the package, to ensure it hardens properly. Once cooled, you can add tiny details like a dollop of white clay for whipped cream or small red beads for berries. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Your miniature clay pie is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.